आज हमारे बीच में प्रशांत जी आए हुए हैं आंध्र प्रदेश से। भोपाल में जो साइटेक सोलर ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, तो जानते हैं उनका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा।
सबका नमस्कार.
आप इंग्लिश में बोल सकते हैं।
Yes, I'm Prashant. I came from Rajahmundry. Previously, I learned online classes of solar, but they said there will be practical training. But even they hadn't called for any practical training, or they hadn't given any certificate. So, as I search on YouTube, I got to know about Saitech Solar technology. So I came here. I came from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. From that long distance, I came here. Here, 5 days practical work is very nice. Sir is telling about everything about the solar and how to get a job opportunities or how to create a business. Mainly, the program is for creating entrepreneurs for solar. And this program helped me a lot, knowing about each and everything of solar, from everything about that is site surveying, installation, costing, so everything I learned in solar. So I am very thankful to sir and madam.
थैंक यू सर।